السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. مرحبا بكم مجددا. You are all welcome to another session of Sorf. So inshallah this week this is what we'll be looking into. الباب الرابع في الفعل الثلاثي المجرد. The fourth pattern or chapter 4 under the simple triliteral verb. Last week we did the third pattern, but this week we'll be doing the fourth pattern. And the fourth pattern is what we're seeing on the screen right now, and that is فَعِلَ يَفْعَلُ. فَعِلَ يَفْعَلُ. This is example. These are examples for you. The first example here is عَلِمَ يَعْلَمُ. We also have شَرِبَ يَشْرَبُ. حَفِظَ يَحْفَظُ. Now this is another illustration for you to show you that there is a suitable comparison between the example brought, that is alima, and also the main pattern fa'ila. You can see this illustration. They made a comparison between the main pattern and example given. You can see fa'ila with alima, and they are compatible. We also have yaf'alu with ya'lamu, they are compatible. This is madi and mudari as you already know before. Now, what are the symptoms or the signs of this pattern? The first one is أن يكون عين فعله مكسورا في الماضي ومفتوحا في المضارع. Very simple. These are the characteristics. That is, the middle letter of this pattern must have kasra. If you are talking about the middle letter, we mean the ain of the verb. It must have kasra in the madi and fatha in mudari. As you can see in the verb itself, fa'ila yaf'alu. Kasra in the madi and fatha in the mudari. Now, what about bina? That is its nature, its pattern transitivity. So, for this verb, متعد غالبا ولازم أحيانا. Most of the time, it serves as transitive verb, that is متعدي. But sometimes it can also be considered as intransitive. But most of the times, that is 80% of the time, they are always transitive. So let's look at example. Example of transitive. علم زيد المسألة أو علم زيد المسألة. That is, Zaid knew the issue or the question. So the verb knew or the verb know, it is what? It is transitive because it receives its object directly without adding any preposition, and that is transitive as you know. And the lazim, it is intransitive. So example is wajila zaid. The verb wajila is intransitive because it doesn't, even if it will receive object, we must add any or one of the prepositions that we have. We must add it before it can be meaningful, and that is that about the transitivity pattern. Okay, most of the time transitive verb, why sometimes intransitive. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.